Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send URL links in Facebook Messenger without those automatic previews showing up. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook Messenger app and click on the conversation where you want to send your link. This could be a chat with a friend, family member, or even a group conversation. Once you've opened the chat, you'll see the text field at the bottom of your screen where you normally type your messages. Go ahead and click on that text field to activate it. Now type or paste the URL link that you want to share. This could be a link to an article, a YouTube video, a website, or anything else you'd like to send. As soon as you enter the URL, Messenger will automatically start generating a preview of that link. Now, here's the key part. Right above the text field where you just typed your URL, you'll notice a preview box has appeared. This preview typically shows a thumbnail image, the title of the page, and sometimes a brief description of the link. While this preview can be helpful in some situations, there are times when you might want to send just the plain link without all that extra information cluttering your message. To remove this preview, simply look for the small close icon, which is usually represented by an X or a similar symbol located on the preview box itself. It's typically positioned in the corner of the preview. Click on that close icon and the preview will instantly disappear from your message. Your URL will remain in the text field, but now it will be sent as a plain text link without any visual preview attached to it. Once you've removed the preview, go ahead and click the send button to deliver your message. Your link will now be sent to your recipient as a clean, simple URL without the automatic preview taking up space in the conversation. This gives your messages a cleaner look and can be particularly useful when you're sharing multiple links or want to keep the chat less cluttered. And that's it. You've successfully sent a URL link in Facebook Messenger without the preview. This simple trick helps you maintain better control over how your messages appear and keeps your conversations looking exactly the way you want them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.